So, you're on an F-1 visa. You're an international student and you're getting ready to start your OPT. Or maybe you're already on OPT. Or maybe your OPT is about to end. The question that's on your mind, what's next in your immigration journey? How do you transition from F-1 or OPT to a work visa or a green card or something more permanent? What's your next step in your immigration journey? I'm Josh Goldstein. I'm an immigration lawyer in Los Angeles, and I help people across the country and around the world get work visas, green cards, and citizenship. And today I'm going to answer your questions about this. So your path after an F-1 visa, people want to know what their options are, and it's pretty simple. Here are the things that you should keep in mind if you're on an F-1 visa and you're wondering what's next. First of all, the traditional way for an international student to get a work visa is through employer sponsorship. In other words, you're an F-1 and then you get OPT, and from OPT you have a job and you have an employer and the employer likes you and they're willing to sponsor your work visa. That's probably going to be an H-1B visa. These are for jobs that are specialty occupations. These are jobs that can't possibly be performed without at least a college degree. And the employer is willing to sponsor your H-1B visa so you can get a working visa in the United States. And possibly from there, you would move on to an employment-based green card. So one path for an F-1 student who's headed towards OPT is through employer sponsorship. There are other work visas too. For example, if you have extraordinary ability, then you could pursue a green card, a work visa called an O-1 visa. So one possibility though is employer-based immigration. The other possibility is family-based immigration. And most of the time that means a green card through marriage to a US citizen or a permanent resident. Now, I'm not trying to give you personal advice. I'm not telling you to run out there and get married. I'm just observing that a lot of people who are international students end up in relationships, and those relationships turn into marriage relationships, and it's headed towards a marriage green card. So the second possibility that you might consider is a green card through a family relationship or through marriage. After that, then the opportunities become a little more scant. Then maybe, you would pursue a green card through diversity visa lottery selection. Or you could consider applying for asylum if you're afraid to return to your home country because of fear of persecution based on race, religion, political opinion, something of this nature. There are green cards and work visas through investment. If you want to consider an E1 or an E2 visa or an EB5 visa, so there's the investor-based path. But those are the main ways that people move from being an international student in F1 to someone on OPT and then somebody who moves on and gets a work visa or a green card. Those are the main paths. And if you're interested in talking more about the specifics of each of these paths, or you have questions, or if there's anything at all that I can do to help you, just reach out to me and let me know. I would be happy to help you. All the best on your immigration journey, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.